Hello all and welcome back to Pabbly. So are you a real estate agency business owner? Then this video is definitely for you. Do you receive multiple inquiries by your customers or leads on WhatsApp and you're tired of replying to all of them manually? Then this video is definitely for you, because in this video we are going to create an AI agent that is going to handle all the inquiries that you receive on WhatsApp. Simply, the agent is created whenever now from the lead you will receive the message from your user on WhatsApp. Automatically this assistant is going to send a reply to them. So if you want to learn how you can create this amazing AI agent, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow, for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing AI assistant for real estate is going to work in real time. Okay, so this is the bot, and towards the bot I will write a message that is I need help. Okay, as soon as I have done that, automatically within few seconds this AI assistant has replied, I'm here to help. What do you need assistant with? Okay, I'm going to write over here, I want to know about your business. Okay, as soon as I will send this message, you can see I've received a reply. I'm glad you're interested. Urban Nest Realty is trusted real estate company that provides comprehensive property solutions for buyers, sellers and renters. We specialize in residential, commercial and rental properties across major cities like Bhopal, Indore, Mumbai and Delhi. Our services include, you can see right away I've received this answer. Now my next question is, I want to know, are there any rental properties available in Bhopal? Okay, I'm going to send this question towards this AI assistant, and you can see I've received the reply. Here are some rental properties in Bhopal. These are the 5 properties that I have received. Okay, now my next question is, give me your support details. Okay, I'm going to send this question right here, and I've received the reply. You can see here are some details for Urban Nest Realty, email, phone number and the availability. Okay, so now as you can see, this bot is automatically replying to all my messages. This is how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. And now let us build this AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. For that, on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And after we browse the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we create this amazing AI assistant, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from the team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay. On this landing page, you have 2 options. If you're a new user, that means you do not have a valid account with us, directly sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you're an existing user, as I am, I'm going to click on this sign in button. Then you will see the all Pabbly apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this access now button, and you will land towards Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing software through which businesses can easily and efficiently manage their WhatsApp conversation. You can add multiple WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. For that, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. There will be 2 methods to add your number, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To learn any of the tutorials, you will find the video links in the description. Pabbly Chatflow also provides with multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn of each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you will find the video links in the description section. So now let us create this amazing AI assistant. For that, simply go towards the AI assistant section over here. Then you will land towards the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow. To create a new one, click on this add button. Firstly, we have to rename our assistant. For the name, I'm going to give it over here as AI assistant for real estate business. Okay, then I'm going to add the AI assistant from here. After adding, the AI assistant is successfully created. Now we have multiple sections under AI assistant like AI instruction, knowledge source, assistant interface and styling. We are going to complete each and every section one by one. First is AI instruction, and firstly you have to select the instruction type under it. My type is going to be AI agent. You can select the type according to your requirement. To give the instructions, you can write the rules and instructions right over here. I'm going to leave it the same. As you're going to select the type, automatically some instructions are going to be pre-written right here. I will not make any change, but you can add points according to your business requirements for your real estate agency. Okay. Next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being more focused to the question that the customer or the lead has asked, and 1 being the most creative reply. So if you want a reply between creative and focused, you can select the temperature, like I'm selecting 0.5. But if you want more creative, then go towards the 1 section. But if you want focus, then go lean towards more 0. Okay. Now over here for the AI to use, I will be using OpenAI. For this model, I will select GPT-4o mini. Next, it is asking for the API key. For that, you will find the key in OpenAI account. Okay. For that, go toward the hyperlink given here below in the help desk. Then the API keys page of OpenAI account is going to appear in front of you. Now to first create a new key, click on this create button. Okay. It is asking for the name of the key. For the name of the key over here, I'm going to give it as AI assistant. Okay. Project is going to be default, permission select all. Create the key from here. Key is then going to be created. Copy it simply from here, paste in the field and click on the connect button, and simply this is how you can build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Chatflow. Okay. After building the connection, firstly it is asking for the AI assistant setting. First is header message. If you want a header message, you can toggle the button on. If you want a footer message, you can toggle the footer button on. Next is stop keyword. So let's suppose this AI assistant is started by any of the leads, okay, by a message forwarded. Now if the person who have forwarded the message towards the AI assistant want to stop this assistant to work, now they don't need any help further. For that, simply toggle this stop keyword button on. Let's suppose my stop keyword is going to be bye, stop, or thank you. So by these words, what is going to happen, just enter the word, press the enter key to save the keyword. By these words, the assistant is going to stop working for that lead. Okay. Next is retry attempt. If you want that, you can toggle this button on. Next is fallback message. So let's suppose this key that we have entered is not working properly. Then what is going to happen, this fallback message that is written right over here, you can edit it according to your requirement, is going to be forwarded towards that lead or the customer. Okay. Now next over here is after setting up our first section, that is AI instruction, it's knowledge source. Knowledge source is the knowledge base using which this AI assistant is going to reply to our lead or customer. So let's suppose a lead or customer asks a question. This AI is going to find the data, is going to have a section that is knowledge base, from which this AI assistant is going to give the reply towards our leads or customers. So I have created a knowledge base in the name of Urbanist Realty knowledge base. I have given the business overview. You can see right over here, you can enter very detailed business overview as well. This is just a dummy that I've created right here. Okay. I've entered all the property listings in every single city. You can see right over here, type, price, and everything. You can find I have created a very detailed knowledge base. You can even create a bigger one according to your requirement. So you have to create your own knowledge base according to what your business is, what it's about, what are the property listings available. So create a knowledge base according to your requirements. I have mentioned each and everything over here in this knowledge base that I wanted my assistant to have a knowledge about. Now how can we upload this knowledge base inside this AI assistant that we are creating? For that, simply click on this button right here and you will find your knowledge base in your file and open it. As soon as you're going to open it, you can see over here a knowledge source is going to be added. If you will receive the vector ID, that means the base has now been successfully added. Okay. This is how you set up knowledge source. Next is assistant interface. Assistant interface, the section that is going to be added on your website. So if you want to add this assistant bot of your real estate agency on your website, for that, if you want to do any formatting over here, you have to do all the formatting in the interface and the styling. Okay. Firstly, you have to enter the brand name. My business name is what? Urban Nest Realty. So what I will do is, I will simply add my business name Urban Nest Realty right over here in place of this brand name. And you can see as soon as I've entered the heading, you will find right over here, this is the name that is updated. So on your website, the bot is going to look like this. If you want to update this, we are online line. You can add over here initial message. This is the initial message. You can add 2 maximum number of initial messages. So if you want to add another one, you can add it right here. If you want to disable the powered by Pabbly button, you can enable and disable it from the given option. If you want hyperlink like this, for that simply add the text and enter the link right over here. initial message, the user's first message, the initial message that a user can send towards this AI assistant. So you can edit the initial first message according to your requirement. Now, if you want to edit the background and the color according to your branding of your business, you can change the mode over here, the color, shape, background, picture, everything according to your requirement from the styling section. I do not want that, so I'm going to simply skip the part. Okay. So now all the sections have been created successfully. Now what we need to do is we have to first toggle this button on of this AI assistant right over here, because if you're not going to do that, this AI assistant is not going to be activated. And then simply click on this AI assistant button right over here and the AI assistant is going to be successfully created. So this is how simple it is to create an AI assistant for your real estate agency as well. So now as this AI assistant is created successfully towards this assistant, now I will send a WhatsApp query. And then let's check whether this assistant is replying to my queries or not. So let me open my WhatsApp again. So this is my WhatsApp, and towards this spot I'm asking, I want to know, are there any commercial properties available in Mumbai? Okay, I'm going to send this message. As soon as I've asked this query towards the bot within few seconds, and you can see I've received a reply. Here are some commercial property listings in Mumbai. You can see I've received the 5 places right here. Okay, now let's suppose I want to know if there are any commercial places available in Delhi. So I'm going to ask a question. Are there any commercial properties available in Delhi? Okay, I'm going to ask this question. As soon as I've asked the question, within few seconds, this AI assistant is going to send me a reply for Delhi, and you can see right over here, I've received the reply with 5 other properties. Okay, so now as this AI assistant is replying to all my messages, so this is how this amazing AI assistant is created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that too without need of any coding and programming skills for real estate businesses. So go ahead and create this amazing AI assistant for your business today itself. Okay, if you find any of the questions or doubts when I was creating this amazing AI assistant, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.